Welcome, speed enthusiasts, to the most electrifying showdown you've ever seen. Buckle up because today, we're pitting two of the most powerful and anticipated electric vehicles on the market against each other in an ultimate drag race that's sure to get your adrenaline pumping. It's the Dodge Charger Daytona EV versus the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. These cars aren't just about speed. They represent the cutting edge of automotive innovation, combining jaw-dropping power with futuristic technology. But what happens when these two electric beasts hit the track? Who will dominate in this high-octane battle? Stay tuned as we break down every moment, from the heart-racing launch to the epic battle across the finish line. Trust us, you won't want to miss a second of this. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more thrilling content like this. Hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop for the latest electrifying races. Let's rev up the excitement. The launch. When the light turns green, the power of both cars is unleashed. The Dodge Charger Daytona EV, a monstrous force with 670 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, is ready to show its might. Equipped with Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3S tires, this car is designed for ultimate grip and stability. As the Daytona EV accelerates, the electric powertrain delivers immediate torque, propelling the car forward with an almost instant surge. The torque is smooth but incredibly potent, pushing the car to its limits right from the start. The high-pitched whine of the electric motors fills the air as the Daytona EV surges ahead, its sleek design cutting through the air effortlessly. In contrast, the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT is not to be outdone. With 480 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque, the Mach-E GT's performance is equally impressive. Running on the Continental Cross Contact RX tires, it's designed to maintain stability while delivering raw acceleration. Its performance mode maximizes the powertrain's capabilities, giving the Mach-E GT an explosive start right alongside the Daytona EV. The Mach-E GT's turbocharged powertrain makes itself known quickly, and as it rockets off the line, it's clear this vehicle has the heart of a Mustang, with modern electrification leading the charge. The first quarter mile. The first quarter mile is a defining moment in any drag race, and this one is no different. The two cars, despite being in completely different classes of design and size, push themselves to their limits as they tear down the track. The Daytona EV, thanks to its high torque and low-end power, starts to pull ahead. The relentless surge of speed from its powerful motors gives it a noticeable advantage in the initial moments. However, the Mach-E GT is no slouch. Despite having a slightly lower horsepower figure, its 700 pound-feet of torque provides a solid push that keeps it right on the tail of the Daytona EV. Both vehicles race side by side in a breathtaking display of engineering, neither willing to give an inch. As the cars approach the first braking zone, the Daytona EV's heavy frame becomes more apparent. Weighing around 6,000 pounds, this car feels every bit of its mass when it's time to slow down. The weight makes braking a bit more challenging, and it takes more effort to bring the Daytona EV to a controlled speed for the upcoming corner. On the other hand, the Mach-E GT, while also a sizable vehicle, handles braking with more finesse. Its advanced braking system and slightly lighter frame allow it to scrub off speed efficiently without losing its composure. Both cars tackle the first quarter mile with unmatched determination, and as they head into the next phase of the race, their unique characteristics continue to show. The turnaround. As the race reaches the crucial turnaround section, the intensity only builds. This part of the track tests the car's ability to stay on their racing lines under pressure, and it's here that the battle between the Dodge Charger Daytona EV and the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT truly heats up. The Daytona EV, with its massive weight, feels a bit more sluggish as it approaches the tight corners. It's not just about handling, it's about staying in control as the car's immense power tries to push it toward the outer limits of the track. The Mach-E GT, by contrast, seems to dance through the same turns with more fluidity. The lighter build of the Mach-E GT gives it a quickness that's immediately evident as it follows the Daytona EV around the corners. The Mach-E GT maintains a steady rhythm, pushing hard through the race's most demanding section. Staying close enough to the Daytona EV to make the final stretch even more exciting, As both cars power out of the turnaround and prepare for the final stretch, there's no clear victor just yet. The Daytona EV's sheer horsepower gives it a noticeable advantage as it accelerates out of the turn. But the Mach-E GT is right on its tail, closing the gap as both cars surge forward. The final stretch now comes the moment of truth, the final stretch. Both the Dodge Charger Daytona EV and the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT are battling for supremacy in this drag race. The Daytona EV, with its powerful electric motors, begins to surge ahead once more. The electric torque kicks in, and the car is able to power through the final stretch with blistering speed. The Mach-E GT, though, isn't backing down. Its performance mode kicks in once more, delivering another burst of speed that allows it to stay right on the Daytona EV's tail. It's a thrilling race, with both cars giving it their all as they hurtle toward the finish line. The final moments are nothing short of dramatic. The Daytona EV, with its immense power, is able to hold its lead just long enough to cross the finish line first. The Mach-E GT, while not quite able to overtake the Daytona EV, finishes just behind, proving that it's no pushover. The final stretch showcases the unique strengths of both cars. The Daytona EV's immense torque and electric motor power give it the edge in terms of top-end speed, while the Mach-E GT's agility and responsive handling keep it close in the race. Mach-E GT's agility and responsiveness kept the race thrilling until the very end. Though the Daytona EV takes the crown in this head-to-head showdown, the Mach-E GT shouldn't be underestimated. It represents a new wave of electric vehicles, demonstrating that performance and handling can go hand in hand in the world of EVs. It's a testament to the progress of modern automotive engineering, where both power and finesse coexist. Conclusion: the battle between the Dodge Charger Daytona EV and the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT showcase the incredible potential of electric vehicles, pushing the limits of performance and technology. The Daytona EV's power and speed versus the Mach-E GT's nimble handling highlighted just how far electric performance cars have come. Whether you're drawn to the brute force of the Daytona EV or the precision of the Mach-E GT, it's clear that the future of driving is electric. If you enjoyed the race, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel.